So a combo box is something which is extremely similar to a list box. It gives you a list of choices. The only difference here is that it also most of the times either have like a text box where you can type in something, and more often than not it has drop down arrows, like an arrow on the right hand side of the box itself, on which once you click you see the all the choices or the list items. And I'm pretty sure you have run into one of these in your um, day-to-day activities, I'm pretty sure. Now, in the combo box, list portion might be hidden, and that's why there's the drop-down arrow. And basically, there are three general styles of combo boxes. The simple one is where all the list items are uh, shown, but the text, there's also the text box right at the top of the combo box. Uh, the drop down type or the drop down style, which is the default, is where you can and even in the simple one you can type in some text into uh, the text box part of the combo box. In the drop down you can also type into the text box um, part of the combo box, and here there's a drop down arrow so that once you click on it, all the listed items in the combo box will be displayed, unlike the simple one where it's already displayed and therefore there's no drop down arrow. Here there is the drop down arrow which you click and you see all the items, but you can also like enter some number or text there which is not part of the list, and that's okay. The drop down list style is basically where you cannot enter or where you cannot type in anything because it does not have a text box. So um, it's just a list having a drop down arrow. So I mean only the selected item will be displayed. The way you add stuff to the combo box is identical to the way you add stuff in list boxes. There's also the selected index, the selected item, similar to list boxes, and there's also the text property of the combo box, which was not there in list box. And here you either assign some text, or it's basically shows you what text is currently selected in the combo box. And other than that, there is the items.count property, which gives you the total number of items in the combo box. There is the sorted property, which can be used to sort in the dictionary format all the lists items in the combo box. About the text property, well, it can have the index of the text box of the combo box can have a value of -1, unlike you saw in list box. I mean, in the list box, when the index is a value of -1, that means that the selected item is like not a part of the combo box itself. So that means that whatever is being found out in the list box is not there. So if you type in something in the combo box which is not part of the list, the index is going to change to -1 because it's not part of the list. So just to make you aware of that, so it can have a -1 as an index. So here this program is very similar to what we did a while back. I mean not too while back, just right at the beginning of this lecture. enter a principal amount, choose a term, and see all your monthly payments for different interest rates. The only difference here is we are now using a combo box instead of a list box, and we'll see that the change that brings up here is that other than all the listed interest rates, which is from 2 to 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5, there's also the possibility of you entering some interest rate, and still this program will be able to find out the monthly payments for those interest rates. And here the program for doing that, you'll see that instead of parsing from the list box, from the text in the list box, we have used the combo box.text. Other than that, there's lines of code for the displaying monthly payments for all the different interest rates from 0.05 to 0.1, and the term can be really anything. The term can be whatever the user selects or enters, and so based on that it's changing. And also here, if the text is changed for the text box, for the principal text box or the combo box, then I mean the output of the label or the output of the program is basically emptied using the text change event, which was not there before. So I mean, if we change some text in the principal text box, or if we change the number of terms, then the monthly payment section is going to go blank.